Hi friends, welcome to DSA Progress channel. Today we will be solving pattern 6. The problem statement states that given an integer n, you need to recreate the pattern given below for any value of n. Let's say for n is equal to 5, the pattern should look like below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the first line, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the second line, 1, 2, 3 in the third line, 1, 2 in the fourth line and 1 in the fifth line. So let's solve it. So first we'll write the outer for loop, which will tell how many lines we need. We need 5 lines. So from 0 to 4, 5 lines we have used. Now in the second loop, we'll mention what we are printing in each line. So first I'll start with 0 and j less than. So in the first line, we have to print all the 5. If n is 5, we have to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would use till n minus I. So n is 5 already. 0 to 5. 0 to 4 would be 5. Correct. So now j plus plus. Now I would print out. I'm planning to use j, but in the first line I should be having 1. So index starts from 0 to 4. So since I need 1, I'm just adding 1 to j, and then I would, after every inner loop, I would print a new line. So let's try this. Let me run this program. Yeah, but the test cases got accepted. Let me submit this code. So yes friends, so all the 22 test cases have passed. Thank you.